Welcome back. If you're new here today, we have already taped our pattern pieces together, cut out our pattern pieces, and cut out our fabric. So the first step in sewing the Kyra is to pin and to sew the shoulder seams. So first you're going to lay your front bodice right sides up, and then you're going to lay your main fabric back pieces on top of your main fabric front bodice. Pin at the shoulders. Next, we are going to repeat the same steps for the lining pieces. As before, pin the shoulder seams of the front and the back bodice right sides together. Sew the shoulder seams of the main bodice and also sew the shoulder seams of the lining. Use a stretch stitch and a stretch needle. Alright, so we have our lining pieces and our main fabric pieces sewn together at the shoulder. Now we are going to pin both pieces together, both the main fabric and the lining fabric. Pin them at the neckline and at the armholes. And we are going to sew all the way around the neckline and all the way around the armholes. I have a tip for you to sew right at the corner where it turns into a V. Use your fabric marker and mark off the length of the seam allowance. This will help you that when you are sewing, you'll sew right to the end of the line you drew, pivot, and continue sewing up the bodice. So let us move on to sewing the armholes and the neckline. Are you loving what you have created so far? Great! See you tomorrow.